Welcome to this class again. We are still in multi-step problems. Okay, so this number 1A says use the cards to complete the part whole model. So it means that these things will have to add up themselves to give us a total of 9004. Do you understand? This will add to give us what? 9004. So let us, I am going to take this card, put it here, okay, and take this card and put it here. Do you understand? So let's try that out. So right down here we are going to be calculating using two cards from the options given in the question. So let's type in 5643, 5643, okay, plus, now let's add this 2089, okay, plus let's add this 2890. Okay, now let's see if the two cards we use will give us a total of 9004. If not, I am going to remove one of the two cards and choose another card. Okay, so I'm going to click on the equal sign and it went over, so it means one of them is not correct. One of the cards is not correct, so I am going to remove this one, okay, and then use this one. All right, so um let's start again. So let's start the calculation, the second calculation, using the first card and the third card. Okay, so 5643 plus 2089 plus 1272. So I'm going to click on the equal sign and see what it will give us. Yay, 9004. Okay, so these two cards are the correct cards that will complete the part whole model. Do you understand? So that is how to do it. So number 2A says complete the bar model. Okay, now this is a full complete one bar. Okay, now you can see that in this second bar it is divided into three. Okay, so this is actually a whole bar. So when you add all the components of this bar, it will surely give us 7429. Okay, so since this is the total of this is what we are going to do. Now look at the calculator below. We are going to subtract the total of this from the total so that it will give us what is here. Okay, we'll add this and this, then subtract it from, it's as if you are subtracting from here. When you subtract from there, you now find what is inside there. Okay, that's how the math is done. So 7429 minus, I am using a bracket because I will be doing addition inside it, minus 1532 plus 965, close bracket. So when I click on the equal sign, whatever it gives us is what is going to be in the question mark. Okay, so 4932 is the missing number. Okay, it's that simple, very very simple. So number 3A says Tony thinks of a number. So he adds 6424 to that number, okay, and subtracts 2825 from the number again. So the number now remains 5095. Okay, now everything in this diagram, these counters, represents the number remaining. can see that there are 5,000 inside here, 90 here, and 5. Okay, so down here you can see that I represented the number that is in his mind with x. Okay, so the number in his mind is x. Then we now add 6,424 to that number, to x, then subtract 2,825 from it, and it gives us 5,095. So this is a word problem in a mathematical expression. Okay, so the question is, what number did he start with? So that number he started with is x. Okay, so let's check our calculator. We are going to do 6,424 minus 2,825. So this is it. So once you click equal to, it will give you 3,599. So this 3,599 will move from here to this side. Okay, it will move from there to this side. So it will not be x plus 3,599 is equal to 5,095. Okay, so the reason why I'm doing this is to show you how the this will move to this side of the equation. So when it moves to this side of the equation, this plus sign will change to minus. Okay, so it will now be 5,095 minus 3,599. Okay, so we now have x is equal to 5,000 my 5,095 minus 3,599. Okay, so x will now be this. So when you subtract this, what will it give us? 5,095 minus 3,599 will give you 1,496. Okay, therefore the number in his mind is 1,496. Okay, so it is not hard, it is very simple. So for number 4a, which of the following cards creates two-step calculation that gives 6,184 as the answer? So this is a card, this is a card, this is a card. Okay, just like that. These are the cards. So there are 6 cards in this question. So we are going to create a two-step calculation. Now let me show you what a two-step calculation means. This is a two-step calculation in this calculator. 2 plus 3, that is one step. Okay, plus 6, second step. Okay, so like this is two-step calculation, which will give you 11. So it's asking you, in which of these cards will you use in two-step calculation that will give you a total of 6,184. Okay, so by just looking at the numbers that will closely give you the answer with a shorter trial, so that you don't have to use all the cards, okay, to get just one answer. So you look closely to the cards. Now for me, looking at this, if I subtract this one from here, okay, to give me something that is remaining about 2,000 and something, then if I add it to this, it might give me this. Okay, so let's try. So I am going to subtract this from this. So that will give us 5,645 minus 3,566 will give us 2,079. Now I am going to use this card. Okay, I'm going to use that card to add this. So let's add 4,105 and see what it will give us. Plus 4,105. Exactly. So 6,184 it gave us back. Okay, so performing a two-step calculation will be this minus this, that is one step, plus this second step, and you get your answer. Okay, congratulations, you have come to the end of this class.